Hi all. Today, some interesting news. As of the 1st of February, a new law has been put in place, and this is the new Property Practitioners Act. This is a new regulation that will not only regulate real estate agents, it regulates all agents who have anything to do with property. And when I say agents, I'm meaning marketers, salespeople, property developers, lead generators, property managers, sectional title managers, managers of real estate environments that manage or supervise real estate offices. It is really across the board. Most of these people were not regulated under any estate agency or real estate act in the past. And this is just to name a few. And this act will ensure that the different industries are regulated, each of them having their own property practitioners FFC, which is a Fidelity Fund certificate, which is great for the public because it does ensure that people are regulated and industries are regulated to safeguard the public. How does this affect you? And I'm really just skimming over the top and touching on a few points, but how does this affect you, the man in the street? And as of the 1st of February, your biggest take-homes that you can take from this is knowing that you may not, and an estate agent may not, an agent may not take a mandate on a property without a disclosures list signed by yourself or filled in by your tenant and signed by yourself. And on top of this, a landlord needs to have a disclosure document with a mandate that he gives his agent. These mandates, whether they be sole mandates or open mandates, you have to have a disclosure document disclosing everything in a property that you are aware of, that a buyer can make or a tenant can make a better decision for themselves. No estate agent will be able to earn commission without a valid FFC, Fidelity Fund certificate. Bye-bye income if you don't have a FFC. Possibly I'm loving the fact that with all these industries needing to have valid FFCs, Fidelity Fund certificates, the value of an agent might just rise a little bit more. I like to see that. And then also to see that whereas before developers and sellers were pushing the cost of agreements of sale over to a buyer, they may not do this anymore. So landlords, sellers, developments, the cost of the agreements are for your account. This, of course, is looking to protect the consumer. Happy investing.